Alright, fitness fanatics, let's talk about the Soul F80 Treadmill, a contender for the best folding treadmill for home gyms. This thing is packed with features, so buckle up. First off, the 3.5 HP motor is a beast. It handled my sprints like a champ, and trust me, I put it through its paces. The 22-inch by 60-inch running surface is also generous. Plenty of room to stretch out your stride, whether you're walking, jogging, or going full-on Usain Bolt. Now let's talk about the folding design. Living in a smaller space, this is a game changer for me. The release lever is super easy to use, and the treadmill folds up compactly, freeing up valuable floor space when I'm not using it. No more tripping over workout equipment. Speaking of workouts, the F80 has a ton of pre-programmed options. Everything from hill climbs to fat burning to HIIT. It's like having a personal trainer built in. Plus, you can customize your own workouts, which is awesome for those of us who like to mix things up. The speed range is also impressive, going from a leisurely 0.5 miles per hour all the way up to a blistering 12 miles per hour. So, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned marathon runner, this treadmill has you covered. And the incline? Let's just say it'll definitely get your heart pumping. It's great for simulating outdoor runs and adding an extra challenge to your workouts. But wait, there's more! The F80 also boasts some seriously cool tech features. The Bluetooth connectivity lets you sync up with your favorite fitness apps, heart rate monitors, and even speakers. Imagine blasting your workout playlist while tracking your progress. Talk about motivation. And the new 10.1-inch touchscreen display is bright, clear, and super easy to navigate. It shows you all your stats in real time, so you can stay on top of your fitness goals. One thing I really appreciate is the build quality of this treadmill. It feels incredibly sturdy and well-made. The frame is solid steel, and the deck has a nice, cushioned feel, which is great for joint impact. It's definitely built to last. Now a quick word about delivery. Make sure you update your contact info with Soul, so they can schedule a delivery appointment. You don't want any surprises showing up on your doorstep. Overall, the Soul F80 Treadmill is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a high-quality, feature-rich treadmill for their home gym. It's got power, versatility, and a sleek, modern design. Yes, it's an investment, but if you're serious about your fitness, I think it's worth every penny. It's like having a gym-quality treadmill in the comfort of your own home. So, if you're ready to take your workouts to the next level, definitely check out the Soul F80. You won't be disappointed.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.